Hello sunshine seekers, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today it is the beginnings of October, 28 degrees, and I'm in the region of Murcia near a beautiful Spanish authentic town called Roldan. Just 15 minutes away I am on the local beach. As you can see, this is a very peaceful spot, very popular community with the expat community, and in the distance I can see La Manga de Mar Menor. Today I'm going to be showing you some brand new properties. This construction is offering detached independent villas. They are on a plot of between 165 and 229 square meters, offering 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, distributed on 2 floors with a solarium. And so, whilst I'm enjoying and basking in the beautiful sunshine overlooking these palm trees, we're going to start the tour. Walking along the street of this new urbanisation, you will see that it is gated and it is an enormous space for the residents to enjoy all through the year. Just over here you will see that this green building is the local school, and then you also have on this side what they are doing here, landscaping a children's playground that's almost finished. And they have plans for other green spaces and zones for people to enjoy as well. They will be having a supermarket as well as restaurants and other park areas for the residents to enjoy. But now I'm going to take you into the home. So we're going in through the front door, the pedestrian entrance, and it leads to a non-slip porcelain stoned entry. Here where I am stood is your pedestrian entrance, and to my right is the swimming pool. Your swimming pool has steps leading down on one side where it is shallow and it gradually gets deeper. Across here you also have your patio doors that give you access onto this terrace, and then you have a sun lounging area here should you want it, overlooking another patio doors for access. Here you have your outdoor shower, and this would be your electric gate that would allow your vehicle entry and to park. Coming up the stairs to the solarium, this is a nice surprise. The solarium offers you an additional 50 square meters of space for your family to enjoy. Here they have dedicated this space to the outdoor lounging spot. You have a spacious dining area, and you also have an outdoor kitchen that comes complete with countertops and also a sink. I like the fact that they've shaded it, so on those warm days you can still dine and cook al fresco, no problem. But what I really like as well about Roldan is that it is a typical authentic Spanish town. So you have within 10 minutes walking distance the actual town of Roldan, and then you also have 25 minutes away in the car Murcia capital, the city. You also have within 15 minutes drive the beaches. Hello. So as I come in through the robust security door, I am met with a light, bright and inviting living home space. The space in the living room, combined dining area and kitchen is 30 square meters, and throughout the home you'll find the ceiling height is 2.7 meters. Next to the front door, for your convenience, you have your intercom system. You also find that it opens into your living room area. You can see here that it has quite a spacious feel and it has a large sofa. You also have patio doors that open completely and give you access to the swimming pool and the outer terraces. And then it comes around to your combined dining and kitchen space. Here they have cleverly integrated what feels like your central island, acting as your breakfast bar on one side, seating two, and your storage cabinets on this side. And then they have also gone with a natural wooden feel here with your dining table space, which is set to dine for. So, as you come then into the kitchen, I'm going to show you here, you have on one side your cooking range, which is your microwave and your oven. You also have your cooking hob, your extractor, and then you have plenty of storage cabinets, the dishwasher and your sink, and then your refrigerator. All of the kitchen appliances and white goods are included with the price, and you will find that it's porcelain stone flooring throughout. So as you come to the hallway area, you find here that the house has air conditioning, hot and cold throughout, as well as buttons and switches for your electric shutters. What I do like about the kitchen is that you do have a door here that leads to your outdoor rear terrace, and this is a continuation of your outdoor living space. And then I'm going to now take you into the home. So if you come into the hall, I'm now going to show you where the bedroom quarters are. Taking you down the hall to the first bedroom. This is the smaller of the two. It is 11 square meters. It has a similar interior feel. You do have on one side your wardrobes, giving you integrated wardrobes for storage, as well as your patio doors that open onto the same terrace next to the kitchen. And then in the hall, you have your main guest bathroom, which is fully equipped. There you will see the continuation of the grey porcelain stone as it goes through both bathrooms as well. And then we're going along the hall into the primary suite. The suite is 15 square meters. You have a double bed there, giving you that space. You also have, overlooking your double bed, your integrated wardrobes. And on one side, patio doors that lead out onto the terrace. As an addition for your ensuite, you do have that also fully equipped next to your bedroom area. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €370 per year. The community fee is €1 per square metre of plot or land that you have. So imagine if you have a plot of 165 square metres, your community fee will be €165, and that is per year. And then the refuse is €150 per year. As you can see, the property comes with modern specifications for comfort, electric gates, parking. You also have electric shutters, air conditioning, kitchen appliances, fully fitted bathrooms, and a solarium offering 50 square metres of additional outdoor space. You will also find that within the communal grounds of the actual complex itself, that it is gated and that you have a wealth of communal grounds that you can enjoy. There is a children's park, there will be a communal swimming pool being built, as well as restaurant and supermarket in the near future. So, if you like the property listing and you'd also like to know more, then please do go to our website for the finer details, and also don't forget to hit like and also subscribe. My name is Nikima, it was lovely to see you, and we will see you next time. Hasta pronto!